Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm reviewing Zeely AI, what it does, who it's for, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth using or not. Let's jump straight in. What is Zeely AI? Zeely AI is an AI-powered marketing tool designed mainly for small businesses and online sellers. It helps you create product descriptions, add copy, landing pages, marketing content, all using AI without needing marketing experience. Key features: AI marketing content generator. Zeely generates ad text, product descriptions, and sales copy based on a few inputs like product name and niche. Landing page builder. You can quickly create simple landing pages optimized for conversions, no coding required. Social media ads support. It is designed to help with Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok ad copy, focusing on short, high converting text. Beginner friendly dashboard. The interface is simple, making it easy even if you have never used marketing tools before. Pros of Zeely AI. Very easy to use even for beginners, saves a lot of time creating marketing content, good for small stores and solo entrepreneurs, no need for copywriting or marketing skills. Works well for quick product launches. Cons of Zeely AI. Content can feel generic if you do not customize it, limited advanced marketing features, not ideal for large businesses or agencies. Some features are locked behind paid plans, and AI output still needs human editing for best results. Pricing overview. Zelle AI offers a free trial or limited free access, paid plans starting at a low monthly cost. Exact pricing may change, so always check their website for the latest plans. Who should use Zelle? Zelle AI is best for beginners in e-commerce, small business owners, and anyone who wants fast marketing content without hiring a copywriter. It is not ideal if you need advanced automation or enterprise level tools. Final verdict: Zeely AI in 2026 is a solid beginner friendly marketing tool. It is not perfect, but it is useful if you want quick, simple AI generated marketing content without complexity. If you are just starting out, it's definitely worth trying. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to turn on this bell icon to get all the new notifications about the new reviews in 2026 and the upcoming years.